Sanecyndy, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to just do a review of these new Hermes Mykonos sandals that I've unboxed last week. And I got this at the beginning of April, and so it's been with me for a while, and you can see that I have worn it a few times and because it got slightly bit frosty, but it's fine. They're so comfortable, so I would like to give them a thorough review. So if you really want to get a pair, you can use my video as a reference. Before we start, let me give you a little bit of background of these jelly sandals. There is a line that in Hermes sandals, every year they have a new style coming out. So this year they have this Shandong, the chain motif design with 3 thin straps, and this one, it looks very raw to me, and with a flip-flop design, and these are so comfortable. They wear on the feet, very secure. So when I saw these on the website, and I just got them straight away because I've been watching these as soon as I saw them being available on the website, and I just grabbed a pair because when the time is a bit warmer and when people start to realize, oh, these are in stock, they will be flying off their shelves like mad, and then soon sizes won't be available. You have to wait for them, or maybe that's it, you missed the boat. You have to get them on the secondary market. So you can see this design is quite beautiful. They have 3 thin straps goes over the top of the foot and have these 3 Shandong motifs around it. And also there's a little holder flip-flop thing separating the big toe and the second toe. And let me just measure the length of the sole for you to give you a reference. So this is size 39. So you can see that from the tallest bit, the length is 25.5 centimeters. For this shoe is 11.5 centimeters. You can see the height of the shoe from the sole till the point where the last motif ends is about 8 centimeters. So it's quite generous, and it doesn't really digging into the top of my feet at all. And also, let me just quickly measure. The sole is 9.5 width, so it's quite wide. And I've taken a video with me wearing it, and you can see that roomy. But although, mind you, my feet are very thin and long and bony. If you have wider feet, it's also worth a trip to try it on, or just order them, try them on. If it doesn't fit, you always can return them. These shoes are really in superb quality because I've never had any problems with the quality issue for these rubber soles, because I worn them in the rain, I worn them on the beach, so it's being tested. So never had any problems. You can see on the bottom of the here is this is pressed down, then embossed onto it. So it's the Hermes with the holes, with the Paris. And you can see the details looks quite shiny. And on the bottom, you can see just a diagonal H all over it. It's loads of the Hermes shoes. On the sole as well, the same. On the bottom is Hermes 39, made in Italy. All the jelly shoes are made in Italy. And then you can see that this is like all other material, and the top, bottom and insole, they're all other material. It's not leather, obviously it's not, it's rubber. And also you can see on the top, this rubber and this rubber on the sole, they are different material. This one is mattified, and on the top they are shiny. And the price is £325. I think it's such a bargain. I think this is the cheapest sandals ever. You can't wear this in the city because obviously you can't wear this every day, but I always wear these when it's raining or when I'm on holiday on the beach or holidaying in a very tropical environment, because the hotter the weather, the softer these would get. If you go somewhere and the temperature doesn't get hot, it can be quite hard, but the hotter the weather, the rubber gets really soft, therefore they're more comfortable. And that's another thing. You can order these on Hermes website, and it came on the 4th day, was very quick, secured delivery. And I'm based in the UK for your reference. And it was such a smooth, excuse me, it was a very smooth online shopping experience. It's always with Hermes. There's nothing really to complain about this. And loads of people saying that this extra bit here, it might digging into the skin, but actually with whatever the times that I worn, this bit is not a problem. If anything there's rubbing is the separator here between the toes, and it slightly rubs a little bit, but other than that, none of these straps were rubbing, and this bit, the tip against the beginning of the ankle is not rubbing into, digging into the skin at all. And partly maybe because I got a size 39. Usually when I get my jelly sandals from Hermes, I usually get 38. I think this video is quite short and sweet. And if there's anything else you want to know, and please leave a comment and to see if there's anything that I have missed, and then leave a comment, let me know. So it's quite a decent pair. So if you really want to get a pair and you need to run to the Hermes shop or check on their online store and to make sure that you secure yourself a pair, because this one, from a style point of view, this is the most loved design by me. I think I really like the look of it, the design and the comfortability. So overall I do really recommend. And so that's it, today's video, quick and short, and I hope it's useful for you. If you really want to get a pair of Hermes rubber sandals, this year is the Mykonos design. They also have them in this color. Run to Hermes, get yourself a pair, and good luck. Until my next video, I'll see you then, bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and give my video a like if you haven't, and thank you so much for your continued support. Bye bye.